Hi, welcome to FARO Quantum Arm and Autodesk Power Inspect tutorial series. In today's video, let us see how to unbox and mount the FARO arm onto the tripod. We will also know about the power supply and various components of the machine. First, open the latch of the box. Here, we can see all the contents of the box. So these are the contents of the box. So here we can see first the quantum arm that we are going to use. Then we have the probe case in which probes are stored. We have the accessories pocket and we have 7-axis handle also. Surface mount plate. It is used for mounting FARO arm by fixing it to the surface table. Then we have the documentation pocket. Let us call the two tubes of the FARO arm as tube 1 and tube 2. Lift tube 2 and rotate it to place it on tube 1. Reach under and grab the quantum arm by tube 1 and base handle. Lift the base handle first and then tube 1. Now place it on the tripod. Now you will be able to fix it. Now let us see how to place it back into the shipping case. So just unscrew it, lift it back and place it. Lift tube 2, rotate it and place it in its slot. Let us look at the various buttons that are available over here. So the first one is the power on or off button. That is, you have to keep it pressed so that it is on. Next, we have battery power indicators. So we have two slots for putting our batteries. So these battery power indicators are going to tell us the charging of those batteries. So this is the WLAN on or off button. These are the battery doors. So once you open these doors, you will be able to insert the batteries. This is the Bluetooth on or off indicator. This is the auxiliary port and Ethernet port. And here is the powered USB port. And this is the USB port. This is the power supply port. We can power the quantum arm using one or two battery packs. When we are not near a grounded power outlet, we can install the supplied battery pack in either battery pack slot to power our quantum arm. Both battery packs will drain evenly when installed together. When a single battery is low, install a charged battery in the empty slot. It is not necessary to install the battery pack if the quantum arm is connected to a grounded power outlet. So we can also see the battery power indicators. So you will see the following when a battery is installed. A red color indicates that there is no charging. Yellow indicates it is 50% charged and green indicates that the batteries are 100% charged. The color will change as the charge rises and lowers. So a solid light indicates that the batteries are not being charged and blinking indicates that the batteries are being charged. Let us see the wiring of the quantum arm. This is how we connect it to the laptop. On long pressing the on-off button, we'll be switching on the quantum arm. Here, we can see this light blinking. Once we move the arm in all the directions, we will see that the stress is relieved and this light stops blinking. This is an essential step to start our probing. Let us see the contents of the probe kit case. So this is the probe 6 mm ball. That is, the ball size is 6 mm diameter. Here we have probe 3 mm ball, which is much delicate, and we use the 6 mm ball probe most often. This is the compensation sphere and this is a compensation cone. Both of them are used for calibrating the probe before we start inspection. We have previously seen that this is tube 1 and this is tube 2. This is the storage hook onto which the 7th axis is mounted when not in use. So coming to this part, here we can see the first part is the probe locking lever. We are going to see this in detail in the coming up videos. So this we have to pull down so that we can insert the probe. So while inspecting or while calibrating, we will use these two buttons. One is a stop button and the other is a start button. Then we have the handle LED, which is an indicator light. And this is the probe after it is mounted. Then we have the scanner case if you have purchased a scanner. So in the scanner case, we have laser line probe or the scanner. We have lens cleaning cloth and we have the calibration plate, which will be used for calibrating probe as well as the scanner. In the coming up videos, we are going to see in detail about the probes and the scanners and how reverse engineering and inspection are going to be